हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज हम फर्स्ट यूनिट स्टार्ट करेंगे। फर्स्ट टॉपिक है फील्ड। द वैल्यूज ऑफ वेरियस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी मे वेरी फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट इन ए प्रिस्क्राइब्ड रीजन लाइक द टेम्परेचर इन ए रूम और along the length of a metallic bar. Electric field intensity around a charge is different at different points, and the force of gravity acting on a body depends upon its height above the earth's surface. So the values are found to be different at different points. Now let us define a field. It is a region where a physical quantity possesses different values at different points. Fields are of two types. First, scalar field. Second, vector field. First is scalar field. It is a region in which a scalar quantity has different values at different points. Each point in such a field is characterized by a single number that denotes the value of given scalar quantity at that point. When the values of field varies with time, it is termed as time dependent. Examples: electric potential, temperature, density of gas, pressure, etc. Mathematical scalar field can be represented as phi is equal to phi r in case of polar coordinate system, or phi is equal to phi x y z in case of Cartesian coordinate system. A surface passing through the points which have same value of scalar field is called a level surface. It should be noted that no two level surfaces intersect each other. If they do so, then there are two values of the scalar field at a point, which is not possible because the scalar field is single valued at every point. Second is vector field. It is a region in which a vector quantity has different values at different points. Each point in such a field is characterized by a vector of definite magnitude and direction at that point. Example: electric field, magnetic field, gravitational field, etc. The magnitude and direction of such a field change continuously from one point to another point throughout the field. Graphically, vector fields are represented by lines known as field or flux lines. These lines are drawn in the field in such a way that tangent at any point of the line gives the direction of vector field at that point. The number of field line passing through the area element gives the magnitude of the vector field. This quantity is also called flux density at that point. Further, no two flux lines intersect each other. If they do so, then there are two tangent, hence two direction of the field at same point, which is not possible. Hence, at every point in the field vector has a single value. Mathematically, vector field can be represented as E is equal to ER in case of polar coordinate system, or E is equal to EXYZ in case of Cartesian coordinate system. Next topic: differentiation of a vector with respect to scalar. Let us consider a vector V which is undergoing a continuous change of magnitude and direction with the passage of time. The vector V is drawn from O origin and it is moving along a curved path from A to B. इस केस में हमें यहाँ पे वेक्टर v की मोशन को स्टडी करना है फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू बी. इट चेंजेस बाय स्मॉल अमाउंट डेल्टा v इन स्मॉल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम डेल्टा t. It is assumed that vector v is a vector function of scalar variable t. V becomes v plus del v with the corresponding change in time t from t to t plus delta t. Del v upon में delta t is the average rate of change of v with respect to t, and as delta t becomes vanishingly small, the ratio attains a limiting value which is the rate of change of v. Del v upon में del t is equal to v t plus del t this value minus vt this value upon में delta t. The value of del v upon delta t in the limiting case when delta t tends to 0 is called derivative or differential coefficient of v with respect to t. So dv upon dt is equal to limit delta t approaches to 0 del v upon delta t, because जब डेल्टा टी 0 को अप्रोच करेगा तो जो पॉइंट ए और बी है वो बिल्कुल कोइंसाइड हो जाएंगे, जिससे जो पाथ होगा कर्व नहीं होके स्ट्रेट लाइन हो जाएगा, यानी कि टेंजेंट की तरह बिहेव करेगा। इसलिए जो वैल्यू है यहाँ पे वो डी वी बाई डी टी हो जाएगी, इज इक्वल टू लिमिट डेल्टा टी अप्रोचेस टू 0 वी टी प्लस डेल्टा टी माइनस वी टी अपॉन में डेल्टा टी, जो कि यहाँ से आई है वैल्यू। बट वी वेक्टर को हम यहाँ से भी लिख सकते हैं कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में, वेक्टर वी इज इक्वल टू वी एक्स आई कैप प्लस वी वाई जे कैप प्लस वी जेड के कैप, वेयर वी एक्स वी वाई वी जेड आर फंक्शन ऑफ टी while unit vectors I cap, j cap, k cap are constant. So their derivative with respect to t are 0. So dv is equal to dv upon में dt is equal to dvx upon में dt I cap plus dvy upon में dt j cap plus dvz upon में dt k cap.